The Prime Minister has stressed on ensuring that politicians don't jump the queue and take the vaccine only when their turn comes. The other important modalities of this meeting at the moment, well, the Prime Minister has said that the first batch of vaccines in the first phase, which is frontline workers and healthcare workers, these vaccines will be free of cost. The cost will be borne by the central government. We don't know at the moment, however, who is going to bear the cost for the second phase of vaccination, which includes the elderly and those with comorbidities. Let's listen in to what the Prime Minister said.
जनवरी से हम दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा टीकाकरण अभियान शुरू कर रहे हैं। ये हम सभी के लिए गौरव की बात है कि जिन दो वैक्सीन को इमरजेंसी यूज ऑथराइजेशन दिया गया है, वो दोनों ही मेड इन इंडिया है। इतना ही नहीं, 4 और वैक्सीन प्रोग्रेस में है। और ये जो मैं करीब 60-70% काम पहले राउंड का होने के बाद बैठने की चर्चा इसलिए करता हूं कि उसके बाद और वैक्सीन भी आ जाएगी, और जब और वैक्सीन आ जाएगी तो हमें फ्यूचर का प्लान करने में वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी सुविधा रहेगी।
Well, Akhilesh joins us with the very latest. Akhilesh, you have very interesting information on how the Prime Minister has stressed in this meeting that politicians should not jump the queue and take the vaccine only when it's their turn.
Absolutely, Rishika, and the point the Prime Minister had made in this today's meeting, because the demand had first come from the BJP ruled state Haryana in November, when on 24th November the Prime Minister had a meeting with all the Chief Ministers. In that meeting, the Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar had raised this issue, and he had said that, because people's representatives, be it panchayat member or member of parliament, all of them are working, and they should be considered as the frontline workers, and they should be administered a vaccine whenever the vaccine is given to all the frontline workers and health workers. So this demand was first had come from a BJP ruled state, and in fact the Home Minister of Anil Vij had written a letter to the central government in this regard. And on this Thursday, when the Health Minister Harshvardhan had a meeting with the different health ministers of the states, in that meeting, health ministers of Bihar and Odisha, they had made a specific demand that all the representatives from panchayat to parliament, they should be given priority while administering the COVID vaccine. And that is why the Prime Minister has very clearly told in this meeting with the Chief Ministers that no politician should be allowed to jump the queue, and they will be given the vaccine when their turn comes. So it's very interesting that the Prime Minister had to give this message, a stern message, to all the political leaders in today's meeting.